So hi all, welcome to our YouTube channel, and we also have a website of the same name, datamahadev.com, where you can read articles related to machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, artificial intelligence, etc., etc. All right, so let us continue from where we left off in the previous video. In the previous video, we discussed about ones and zeros matrix, and in the previous video, we discussed about in one of our videos, Numpy videos, we have also discussed about reshape. All right, so this is what it is. So next we'll do what? Next we'll basically talk about what we'll talk about uh, creating an identity matrix, and also uh, simultaneously discuss about using the diag function to basically create a diagonal matrix. But first we'll do what? First we'll basically discuss the creation of identity matrix. So how do we create an identity matrix? Let us have a look at it. So let us take a list A. Let me write the heading identity matrix, creation of an identity matrix. All right. So let us take a list A, 1 comma 1 comma 1. All right. So let's say I want to create a three shape I3, three shape, 3 comma 3 shape of identity matrix. 3 comma 3 shape of identity matrix. All right. So I'll take a list. A is equal to, in a list, store 1 comma 1 comma 1. All right. I'll press enter. Next I'll do what? Next I'll take a variable capital I and np dot diag A. Diag is the function to where whatever you basically in a list, whatever you mention, not whatever you mention, basically an element of list you mention, it will take it under consideration and convert it into diagonals of matrix. Let us have a look at it. So as you can see, it has created an identity matrix. Now identity matrix is what? Identity matrix is one where the diagonals of the diagonals of a matrix are 1. As you can see, diagonals of a matrix are 1. Rest all the elements are 0. Rest all the elements are 0. So this is what an identity matrix is. This is a 3 shape identity matrix. If we check its shape, I dot shape, it's 3 comma 3. Now if we do what? If we take 1 comma 1, increase 2 more ones. All right, so it will be equivalent to what? It will be equivalent to 5 ones. So the identity matrix will be what? Identity matrix shape will be 5 comma 5. 5 comma 5. So as you can see, again diagonals are 1 and the rest are 0. So just take up a list and create. All right, and create the right ones in it. If 3 shape you want to create 3. 5 you want to create 5, and create an identity matrix. All right, next we'll do one. Next we'll, let's say okay, no, if only one, what about other elements? Can we include other elements? Yes, we can include other elements. Let us take names of cricketers: Dhoni, all right, Sachin, all right, Dravid, Ganguly, all right, Kohli. All right, names of cricketers we've taken, 5 names of cricket. Now we'll do what? We'll basically take up a, let's say, variable B, np.diag, and we'll write A. All right, print B. So as you can see, Dhoni, Sachin, Dravid, Ganguly, Kohli have been included. But yes, remember they are what? They are strings inside a list. So it will show what? It will show blank values in a single inverted quotes. Blank values in a single inverted. All right, so it is writing it as Dhoni, Sachin, Dravid, Ganguly, Kohli. Ignore this D type U7 whenever there is a, let's say, strings inside a matrix. So this gives D type U7. Don't worry about that. The D type is what we'll see over here. Type B, it will show it as numpy.nd array. So this is what the D type of B is. All right. So this is what it is. Let us create one more diagonal matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Let us take B once again. So it will override B. All right. A. So let us print B. B dot shape will be equivalent to 5 because we have taken what? We've taken 5 elements of B. All right. So this is what it is. All right. Just give me 1 second. All right, so this is what it is, b dot shape. We have printed b. All right, so 1 2 3 4 5. So this is what it is. So this is how we create a diagonal matrix, and this is how we create an identity matrix. We are coming up with more videos related to NumPy. All right, NumPy development, and after that we'll move towards the pandas development. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep sharing, keep liking, and keep subscribing. Thanks a lot, everyone.